Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Okay, this is your plan for day 4. As usual, your video is going to be here, the one that I'm recording right now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is report your attendance. You're going to click here, pause your video. All right, thank you. You have your attendance in, and it says warm up. And for the warm up, it says you saw some of the contents you will be learning this term. That was last class when we were doing our content page. And it says type 1. One way, you're going to pick one way to greet in Spanish in the box provided. So that will be, hold on a second. Yes, I want to do the student view so you can see. That will be right here. So you're going to click on this. And then you have a text box. You just write here whatever your answer is. And then you're going to click submit assignment, and that will be your warm-up for today. Okay, so that's the first thing you do today. Please be sure that you finish the work from last class before you start today's plan. So check that you did finish your content page, and then you made the video and you submitted already. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at greetings in Spanish, and for that we're going to watch this video.
Mundo Learning provides
This is a video recorded by another teacher. So I put this video here.
Online Spanish instruction. So then we could say hola.
And it has different ways on how to say hello. So you watch that video. Once you watch the video, you finish that video, you're going to copy your notes. So you're going to grab a piece of paper, just a piece of paper. Notebook paper. I don't have one right here. So you're gonna grab a piece of notebook paper and you're gonna copy your notes. These are the notes. You put the title right here, you put the date for today. This is what it means, so you put that there too. So this goes on the title and then the date, and then you copy these notes. These are the notes. Once you finish the notes, and probably in another paper, better, you're going to open this link. And you're going to copy these expressions that are ways to say hello or to greet in Spanish. So you use a color for the expressions in Spanish, and then you use black for the translations in English. That would be for your notes. So you finish right here, and then you're going to put those notes in your binder. Okay, just keep them in a binder for Spanish. Then you're going to this Quizlet. The Quizlet has words, actual greetings, and goodbyes. But we're going to start working on that. So here you have in the first part, you're going to learn your words. So it has the word in Spanish and in English. And it tells you if it's a greeting or it's a goodbye word. And then you have this that tells you how to pronounce the words.
Hola.
So it tells you how to pronounce the words. And then you have several things that you can do here. And you can even play a game. There's a game here that you can play. When you start the game, you just need to match. So you match the word in English with the word in Spanish. So for example, this one with this one, and nope, I cannot see because my picture is on the middle, on the way. Okay, de nuevo, what's new? There you go. ¿Qué pasa? Or see you later. There you go. Or what's up? ¿Qué pasa? No. What's going on? And then ¿cómo está usted? This one. And then ¿qué tal? What's up? And then it tells you how long. It took me forever, but so you just practice that. Okay. Once you do that, I'm gonna let you do that for a while, and then we're gonna play a game. So we play right here in this Quizlet. So that's what we're doing today. It's all you have today. Only thing you have to submit is your warm-up right there. That is a very short thing, just a greeting that you learn from your content page. That's all you have for today, and you will be working on a project next class. I'll see you soon. Connect to class, don't forget. Adios.